When finding the equation of a parabola, we have a couple of options for where we could go. We could start with the idea that we're going to find f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, or possibly we could put this into hk notation, a x minus h quantity squared plus k. And I'm not sure where I want to go just yet, so I want to look at what we've been told and try and piece things together here. So we were told that f of x has the same shape as either negative 3x squared or positive 3x squared. And this gives us two options, which I'm not really sure which one to take yet. So I want to look at this other information first. So we're told that there's a maximum value of 4 at x is equal to 2. So the parabola goes through the point 2, 4. And since it's a max, I know that's where the vertex is. So I'm looking at one of two shapes. It's either going to look like this, or it's going to look like this. Should be a little bit neater than that, though. Since we're looking at a maximum value, I know that my parabola is going to have to open down, and I don't want to look at that one that's opening up. So this is really roughly what our parabola is going to look like. So this again was a max value. It's where the vertex is, and the coordinates of the vertex are x equals 2, y equals 4. I know that this parabola opens down, and that tells me that a has to be negative, has to be less than 0. So with this, I know that I really don't want to go to ax squared plus bx plus c. I want to use hk notation because the vertex 2, 4 is at h and k. And since they've told me the shape has to match either negative 3x squared or 3x squared, I know what the value of a has to be. A is going to have to be equal to, in this case, negative 3. So from there, I can just fill out the formula. F of x must be, a is negative 3, x minus the x coordinate of the vertex, h is equal to 2, quantity squared, plus the value of k. That's the y value of the max, plus 4, and that's what we're looking for.